This question was asked in GATE 2020 for 1 marks. Question is that consider a double hashing schema in which the primary hash function is h1 and the secondary hash function h2. Assume that the size table is 23. Then the address returned by probe 1 in probe sequence for key value 90 is. So let us solve this problem. We know that in double hashing schema, the probe sequence is given by, this is HKI, this is probe sequence I am telling you. We can write H1K plus I H2K mod table size. Calculate the, now this is the formula we have to use. Calculate H1 value, I, H2 and table size. Table size we have given, that is 23, I, this is 1 given. So calculate H1 and H2. So HK, H1K, it is given that K mod 23. So key value, our key value is 90. 90 mod 23. So we are getting 21. H2K 90. H2K function is this one. So what is this? 1 plus K mod 19. Put the value of K 90. 1 plus 90 mod 19. We are getting 1 plus 14, that is 15. Now we got H1 value, H2 value. Put this value in this formula, whatever the answer we will get, that is our answer. So put this value here. So H1 value is 21, we calculated from here, and H2 value we calculated 15. Our table size is how much? It is given 23. So 36 mod 23. Finally, the answer is our 13. This is our correct answer. So thank you everybody.